Oh my gosh, here is a question that I need to answer and you need to pay attention. Your dentures have broken in half and you went to the drugstore and got a repair kit. No, 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 no. Once you touch those dentures, we can't repair them. So please, please, please heed my advice. Do not attempt to repair your own denture unless you want to get a new denture, because that's what's going to happen. No dentist will then repair your repair. Got it?